Hello and welcome to the lab. Today we're going to talk about LG's renowned cooling technologies. We're going to take a closer look at the innovations and the numerous benefits that make LG refrigerators stand out as an industry leader. Let's get started. When it comes to a refrigerator, food preservation should always be the top priority. This can often be overlooked in favor of add-on features when helping a customer find the right model. We tend to assume that all fridges are created equally when it comes to preservation, but this is not true. So what's the best way that a fridge can achieve optimal food preservation? Temperature uniformity. The more the temperature fluctuates inside of your fridge, the faster your food will spoil. If the temperature gets too warm, bacteria multiplies quickly, and we all know what that looks like. On the flip side, a fridge that consistently overcools runs the risk of damaging your delicate produce items. This ruins textures and reduces their nutritional value. Now, let's see how LG's innovations work together through our smart cooling system, which keeps temperature fluctuations to a maximum of only 0.9 Fahrenheit. First off, we have our smart compressors that are powered by LG's inverter technology. This groundbreaking innovation intelligently adjusts the compressor speed as needed. Your fridge rarely requires the compressor to run at full speed, so the inverter raises or lowers the intensity as needed. This plays a key role in helping our fridges maintain the perfect temperature. In addition, the ability to gently turn on the compressor at slower speeds allows the fridge to run quieter, increasing energy savings and extended the unit's overall lifespan. Now, let's move on to ventilation and airflow. Creating the cooling is very important, but so is the fridge's ability to distribute that cold air as quickly and evenly as possible. Multi-airflow vents evenly provide cooling on every shelf towards the back of the cavity. But when you open the doors, the items at the front of the fridge are exposed to your home's warmer temperatures. That's why traditional advice tells you not to keep your dairy items stored in the door. But this is LG, and we also provide an exclusive Door Cooling Plus innovation. This strategically placed vent extends the reach of LG's smart cooling system. How do our fridges know when it's the right time to pump more cold air in? Well, LG's smart cooling system also employs multiple digital temperature sensors. These sensors are constantly monitoring both the temperature inside and outside of the refrigerator. This allows the fridge to adjust its cooling cycle to best suit any environment. If your home is 78 degrees in the summertime, the fridge will adjust how it maintains cooling differently than if the room was 70 degrees in the cooler months. Now, let's see what the future looks like with LG's newest innovation, Smart Care Plus. This new technology maximizes the lifespan of your groceries by monitoring the user's habits over time. Once it learns your daily routines, the system will anticipate frequent door openings and adjust its cooling pattern. This ultimately increases food preservation as well as energy savings. Yet another great innovation that lets our customers passively benefit without having to do anything themselves. We all know that reliability and durability are key factors when it comes to choosing a refrigerator. LG's refrigeration technologies undergo rigorous testing, ensuring their performance and longevity. So much so that every model comes with a 10-year compressor part warranty. With that, you can confidently tell your customers that LG fridges are built to last. When it comes to food preservation, efficiency, and reliability, LG's refrigerators are truly exceptional. Our innovative designs and technologies help keep food fresh for longer periods, reducing waste, and saving your customers money.